I got to move. Oh, I gotta get next to you. But you're so far away. Searching for a heart another world away. You're the fire go.
Hi guys!
And don't forget about me, hi.
So guys, it's Thanksgiving today and we are on our way to celebrate Thanksgiving with my husband family. Hey babe, but you need to cover your neck. That's how you get sick.
Nah, man, I'm good. I'm a grown ass man, alright?
Okay, so when the grown ass man is sick, he cry like a baby to me. So guys, we just want to say together, baby, happy Thanksgiving, guys. Yeah. And eat up that turkey. Have a good one. We update you. You're gonna see what we're gonna eat and everything, guys. So this is a girl Jody. Bye guys. Say bye, baby.
Bye, babe.
Not bye, babe.
Oh,
bye,
bye.
Guys. Bye guys. We dressed like an Eskimo right now, guys, because it's like freaking 19 degrees right now. Look at me. From head, look, to toe. Look. Yeah, guys. So hi guys, we're here with the family. We're gonna eat food. Oh my god, I can't wait to taste that food. Even the turkey. Oh my god. Let me go see what's cooking up in the kitchen. Look now, look guys, look. Turkey's so good. It's my first time eating turkey. And we have the potato salad over here.
You mean insurance cards?
And this is plain macaroni.
I don't know what they're doing.
We have the yellow rice right here, guys. Oh my god, I'm gonna dig in. We have the old-fashioned sweet potato pie. There it is. We have cornbread right here. And we have apple pie right here.
Well, you know, you gotta cook by yourself.
Over here, Elvira, what is this?
Oh, that's pateles.
Pateles. This is a Spanish. What is it?
I'm white.
What is it? It's a Spanish, like a bread. A bread?
It's not bread. It's
what?
like you know the green bananas. They mash it up and then they put like chicken and seasoning and all that stuff in it.
Okay, so guys, this is pateles. It's a Spanish recipe. It's a Spanish thing. I don't know what it is. Maybe I'll try one. There's a plate. We have yellow rice, mashed potato salad, and turkey. Ooh. So guys, that's my plate.
Yeah, that's a good movie.
He started already on Cody, but he still wants to see it.
And the husband is already finished. Beauty.
Oh, I didn't see it. The last one that came out.
Look, guys. Look at my husband's bowl. Oh my god, it's going in. There you go.
Hey, put this inside.
There's your food. Look at him.
No, I can't hold it. Oh my
Foodie.
god.
Look at that foodie.
So who? Yes, yeah, it's in there. He can put more.
He's putting more?
Nah, I have too much turkey.
I will.
Look at him. See the foodie, guys? Right now, I'm full. I can't move. Food was good. Where? Hello?
Huh? Hey, what's up, guys?
I'm vlogging.
Give up, bro.
He gives up.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I know somebody did that other than a minute. Did it other than a minute. It's crazy.
We are having cookie, guys. Cookies. I love cookies. I do love cookies. So good. Mia, what are you making?
I'm trying to make a bubble.
A big bubble? Okay.
I don't know what the ball is now.
It's in the refrigerator. But save some for
This is Noah.
I didn't make a lot this.
No.
Not that way. You can't do it that way, babe.
Yo, you need to get a cameraman.
Hi guys. I'm on my way home. My husband is at work. We had a blast today at Thanksgiving with our families. I just want to say thank you for all the wishes. My husband sent his best of love to each and every one. He's at work right now. He's gonna do it overnight, so I'm gonna be all alone. So he took the day to spend with me and his family. So yes guys, so have a blast, keep safe out there, happy Thanksgiving again, and continue to watch our videos. Subscribe if you haven't, like, share, watch. Bye guys. I'm so sleepy and full, my stomach is so full. So yes.